What's good YouTube, it's Jason back here with another video. This is episode 3 of editing my photos. I went to downtown Toronto recently and I went to the Bathurst Bridge. If you guys don't know what the Bathurst Bridge is, in my last video I showed you the location, what the view looks like, and also the bridge itself. So now I'm going to edit some photos for you guys and I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm ready on Lightroom now. I have only 2 photos that I picked out. This one was taken on the Bathurst Bridge. I had a couple construction workers here working on the track, so as usual, I'm gonna do auto adjust, then I'm gonna do 4x5. As usual, I'm gonna pick a preset. Pick this one because it kind of matches the mood. Adjust the brightness, add some contrast, turn down the highlights, add a bit of dehaze. I'll add some saturation just to give it a bit of color. I will adjust the dark and the shadows as usual, make it a bit brighter. Turn down the highlights on this tone curve, remove chromatic and enable profile corrections. Add some saturation with the orange. Turn down the blue here, and then the luminance, I'll do the same. I will turn up the luminance, turn up the orange and the yellow. Then I'll adjust the temperature. I'm gonna make it a bit cooler. So I'm just gonna leave that photo as is. The great thing about this photo is that it wasn't underexposed or too overexposed. It was just right in the middle. It was really easy to edit. I really kept it really simple for it. This is the east side facing towards the CN Tower. As you can see, the Puente de Luz is right there. I made a video before showing you the Puente de Luz. If you haven't checked it out, I believe it's one of my recent videos. So I'm gonna pick the same preset just because it's the same day, same lighting, and the same sort of mood. I will adjust it as usual, go by 4x5, and then I will crop it to make it look appropriate. Adjust the shadows, adjust the black a bit, turn up the highlight. I'll add some contrast as well. Then I'm going to turn up the light, turn up the dark and the shadows. I'll turn up the highlights, turn up the saturation a bit. Make this a bit cooler just to kind of balance it out. With the saturations, I'm gonna raise the saturation of the blue. I will raise the luminance of the blue, add a bit of yellow and a bit of orange to it. I'll do the same for the saturation. I'll turn up just a bit of the orange and the yellow. I'm happy with this, so I'm gonna leave it as is. I also wanted to give you an extra photo to edit because I just want to make this entertaining and also give you a different perspective of what the bridge actually looks like itself. And it's a really cool angle of it. It goes along Bathurst going to King Street, which is a really dense area, a lot of buildings and a lot of good landscape photos to get. I'm going to do the same as always. I'm going to make it auto and 4x5. I'm going to put the same preset because I just want to make it a moody feel and make it consistent. So I'll adjust the exposure again, add a bit of contrast, adjust the highlights down. I'm going to raise the shadows. I'm going to raise the blacks as well, add a bit of dehaze, turn down the clarity. Now I'm going to turn down the saturation a bit and turn down the vibrance. It's a bit too much for me, so I just want to make it look more subtle. Add the highlight, add a bit of darkness and some shadows as well. Then I'm going to make it a bit cooler with temperature. I'm going to turn up the saturations now, turn the yellow up, turn the orange a bit up, the luminance. I will add a bit of yellow, add a bit of orange. Now, there's something a bit missing here, so I'm gonna go to my color grading. I'm gonna add highlights a bit again, going to raise the shadows. I'm gonna turn down the mid-tone just a bit. I'm happy with this, so I'm gonna leave it as is. So those are quick edits. I hope you guys like those. I know it was a bit simple because it was cloudy, it wasn't that sunny, and it wasn't that difficult to kind of adjust the lighting to it. I gave a bit of a moody feel to it, so I really hope you guys like it. And these are the final edits. I really loved these photos. It turned out really well. Let me know as well if you want to see me edit more photos. I really like to do more tutorials as well and kind of mix it up a bit, and how-tos on Lightroom or Final Cut Pro or Photoshop even. If you guys really like this series, let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more of those. I'll be more than happy to make more of them. Don't forget to give this video a like. I really do appreciate it. I really do love when I see the support, and it lets me know that you guys really enjoy my videos a lot and you want me to make more of these. Leave a comment down below as well if you really enjoy these videos. I do want to make more of these, but only if you guys really want me to. I also do appreciate everybody who subscribed recently. I really didn't expect so many people to subscribe, and it's grown about 1,000 people now since I started uploading videos, so I hope to continue doing more in 2021. If you enjoy my videos and you think somebody else else would take something out of this, then go share it to them, share my channel and share my other videos to them. They could get some sort of direction and also learn from somebody like me who could help them become a better photographer and learn how to kind of figure out what they want to do and what kind of photos they want to take. As well, don't forget to follow me on all socials on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. I post my photos and my videos there first as usual, so don't forget to go check them out. The links will be down below as well. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Of course, stay safe, and until next time, peace out.